Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play PokerStars in USA, so let's start. Well, as you can see, I'm here on PokerStars, and now you can see that we have different games here. However, all not people can play it because we need to have been in USA. If you are not in that country, probably you can play it, so it's necessary to be there to play PokerStars. There are casino, poker, and sports. So as I told you, you have to get a VPN. And this VPN, for example, as I told you, is NordVPN. It's an amazing VPN that you can start using. How you can use, well, if you subscribe to the NordVPN with our link in the description below, then you have to log in here, and here on login you have to write your email address in which you register, then you have to write your password and then log in. When you log in, you will find here the principal page. Now let's go to the left side, and here on the left side just click on NordVPN, just click there. Then just scroll down, and then you will find this one that says manual setup. Just click here on setup NordVPN, and here you will find the server on the country. So here you can change this. As you can see, there are amount of list about countries, different countries that you can connect. So in this case, let's select United States. Now you will find here the different VPNs that NordVPN have. As you can see, there are a vast of VPN here. Now after this, you have to get set up the configuration, and when you do it, you can connect to the VPN on your computer, and now you can start playing the games without any problem because now your VPN is from United States. So that is how it works, guys. As you can see here, it's very easy to do it, and also it has tutorials. If you have any problem here, you can check the tutorials that it has for open the VPN or VPN or set up the router with NordVPN. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Remember, if you wanna get NordVPN, just click on the link below, and now you can get it without any problem and special discount to enjoy more games. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.